Welcome back to my channel Hawk Academy. Today I discuss about the most important Excel function, if and. Okay, Excel is a powerful tool that allows user to perform complex calculation and analyze data efficiently. Among its many functions, the if function are essential for decision making and conditional evaluation. Okay, now you see that here is 5 salesperson. Okay, 5 salesperson, this is sales amount, and we condition here if the sales amount are more than 60,000, that will consider as a good. And here you see that another logic, if someone sells more than 60,000 and not more than or less than 80,000, that will be considered as better. Okay, and we try to prove this by if. The if function checks whether a condition is met and return one value for a true result and another value is false. Okay, let's try. If here you see that check whether a condition is met and another return one value if true and another value if false. Okay, let's try. Here you see that logical test. Okay, what will be test? And we try to test this cells here, and it's more than 60,000. Okay, it's more than 60,000. If this value are more than 60,000, what will happen? Value is true means if this value are more than 60,000, what will happen? It will happen good. Okay, and another logic, if value are false, what will happen? Okay, if the sales value are less than 60,000, what will happen? It will happen nothing. Close bracket. You see that? Good. That means the sales performer are good because of they fulfill the requirement. And we drop down this. Here you see that this is also show the good, and it's also good, and 3 are show nothing because of they are unable to fulfill the requirement of sales. Okay, next. Here you see that salesperson must be sales up to 60% and less than 80%, then they will be considered as better performer. Otherwise there will be nothing. Let's try. And here if, okay, logical test, what will be test? It's logical test, sales amount. Okay, sales amount more than 60,000. Okay, but you cannot attach here two condition. That's why you have to add here and function. It's another logic function which must be fulfill two logic, and here is logic 1, it must be more than 60,000. Okay, and here is another logic, it must be less than 80,000. Okay, and you see that must be 80,000. Okay, and here you see that must be 80,000, close bracket, comma, you see that only logic tests are fulfilled. More than 60,000 and less than 80,000, what will happen? It will happen better. Okay, and here you see that another logic, if this function are not fulfilled, what will happen? It will happen nothing. Okay, and close bracket, check again if, okay, logical test 1 and here you see that logic 1, if more than 60,000 and logic 2 less than 80,000. okay, and here you see that value if true it will consider better, and value if false it will consider nothing. Okay, now press enter, you see that here is nothing because of our logic was more than 60 and less than 80. Here you see that sales are 85,000. okay, it's not under any logic, and we here write 65,000. you see that it's better. It's better means the result are considered only sales data. The sales data you see that more than 65,000 and less than 85,000, and we drop down this, here you see that nothing because of the condition are not fulfilled. okay, it's less than 60, and here you see that we write here 61,000. you see that it's better, and here you see that nothing, and we write here 79,000. here you see that it's also show you better, and okay, these are nothing less than 60,000, these are nothing less than 60,000. okay, that's the if conditional function and related with and. okay, and you know that how you use if function in Excel. These functions are powerful tools for making decision based on your data. okay, practice with different condition and result to become more comfortable using them. okay, if you have any question or need to further example, feel free to ask me.